हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम टॉक करेंगे नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में। नंबर सिस्टम में हमारे पास नंबर्स को डिवाइड किया जाता है डिफरेंट टाइप्स में। सबसे पहले आते हैं उसमें नेचुरल नंबर्स। व्हाट आर द नेचुरल नंबर्स? नेचुरल नंबर्स आर द दोज नंबर्स विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 2 3 4 एंड गोज अप टू infinite. And next is the whole number. Whole numbers are those which starts from 0 then moves 1 2 3 up to so on infinity. Thus the difference between the natural number and the whole number is that we have 0 extra in the whole number, whereas in natural number there is no 0. Further we have integers. Integers are those numbers which include negative as well as positive numbers in between them, like 0 1 2 3 up to so on positive infinity and -1 -2 up to so on negative of infinity. I think everyone has clear. Now next is the term reoccurring. What does mean by reoccurring? Let us suppose I have 1 by 3. When we divide 1 by 3 we get the result 0.333 and keep on moving continuously. Thus the reoccurrence means the word or the digit when we divide, this does not completely whole divide to that number, but it start repeating itself. That type of number are reoccurring numbers. Whereas the non-reoccurring numbers, for example 0.1023 and so on, these digits are not repeating after a certain interval. Thus these types of numbers are known as non-reoccurring numbers. Next we have terminatings. What does mean by terminating? Let us suppose 1 by 2. When we divide 1 by 2, it is completely divided. Thus we get the result 0.5, which is the known as terminating numbers. And then we have the non-terminating numbers. Non-terminating numbers are those which do not repeat itself after any certain limit. These will keep on moving like that. For example, here is 0 between 1 and one single 0, and here there are 2 zeros, there are 3 zeros, 4, and it is not repeating, it is keep on moving. But further we have 5 zeros, 6 zeros, and this. Thus this is the basic all over partitions. Now let us talk about the rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which are either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Now I will explain what is it mean. As we understand early, terminating are those numbers which have completely divisible by these number and we get the exact solution like that. If 1 by 2 is divided, we will get 0.5. This number is not further moving. Thus, whereas non-terminating and repeating means like 1 by 3. If we divide 1 by 3, we will get 0.3333, which is keep on moving, and we will get 0.3 bar. We can write as a bar on a number which is repeating continuously. Thus we get the rational number are those, these are either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Leaving it what we get are the irrational numbers. Like non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers. I will give you an example like 1.12356 7 9 4 3 up to so on, like that. This number is non-terminating as well as non-repeating. Thus it is known as irrational number. Let us see how this chart is made. First of all, there are the natural numbers. It is the smallest part of the number system because it starts from 1 and moves to infinity. Then we get whole numbers. These include 0. Thus it has the further vast area as compared to that of the natural numbers. Further we have integers. These include negative as well as positive as well as 0. Further as we move, we will have the rational numbers, and then further we will get whole of these are the real numbers and rational numbers lies at a side. From this we will get to know that irrational numbers are real numbers but irrational numbers are not rational numbers. It is have a separate from all these. Thus we will have concluded natural numbers, these are contained in whole numbers. Whole numbers are contained in integers and integers are contained in rational numbers, and rational number and all these are contained in a real number. It is a basic of the number system. Thank you. Keep on supporting.